Welcome back to Abdullah's Best. Today I'm going to review I think it's going to be my last video, which is going to be the Microsoft PowerPoint, which is this program used to create presentations, so on. I don't have it on. Oh, here I go. I have it on my desktop. So let's open that. This is what it looks like. This is when you start up. This is the main page. Plus it's gonna say presentation 1. This is your title bar. As we go again, the favorite bar, file, and then we have save as, and all these options. We have the home tab, insert, design, transitions, animation. You can animate, let's say, a word, or animate anything, basically anything you want to. Slideshow, review, view, add once, and then Acrobat. Let's go to home. Let's type something. Let's say this. I want it to look so fancy. Here we go. So let's go to design. As you see here, you have the really good designs, nice looks designs. Plus you can go to file, new, and download others. Let's go to sample ones. Let's say I want this one. You press create. That's it. It's gonna create it. There we go. I have it. Training your employees. This is not what I wanted, which is I want here we go. Let's say in here I'm going to type my website, or English, or EQAO. Let's say as an example. This is the main one. The second, these are the slides, and then you have the outline. You can as you see, basically the outline is gonna tell you everything that you want to. The slides just gonna show it to you how it looks and everything. These slides are animated to you, while if you do your presentation one, if you go back to presentation one, it's not animated yet. You have to animate it by your, it doesn't have the transitions. You have to put the transitions by yourself. But here between the slides there is a transition. If you want to check the transitions, everything you're done, just press the F5 button. Here we go, it's appeared. This is Abdullah's Best. You move to the next slide by the arrow keys or clicking or space. Here as you're seeing how it's animating, or how it's transitions are cool and nice. You can see your text, how it looks like. This is a full screen. You can connect your computer into projector and view this to the public, let's say, or to who you wanna view it to. As you see, you can sort if you have numbers or graphs. Some business people use it as presenting graphs or so, instead of using the Microsoft Excel, and they do it. Okay guys, so that's what I was up to. Let's go to transitions. Here we go. You have the split. It's gonna show you how it's gonna split it, how it's gonna wipe it, how it's gonna shape it. Is gonna look like a ball, and then coming, uncover, cover, or the flash one, which is the cool one. Scroll down. As you see, let's go to honeycomb. As you see, it's really cool, it's really nice, but remember, your text has to be show up nice, readable, like people can read it, because most of the presentation I've seen from grade 9s, 10s, 11, 12s, you can't read the text. It's just about styles, fonts, and everything, fonts thingy. But it has to be read. You can read it, you can watch it, and it's nice at the same time and neat. Animation. Let's say this text I want to float in, so split or wipe. So let's go to F5, and then here we go. This is the transition I put it, and then when you press, here we go. As you see, your text is appearing the same you want. You can choose the randoms, and so you can add an animation, which you can let's say more entrance effects, which you get like much more ones than you have in this list. I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, let's try here. Here you go. So the first one was this: you can add two at the same time, two animation at the same time. The next one is going around, coming back, as you see. You can wheel it, wipe, and other stuff. You can add a sound. You can add sound effects, like when your slide changes, it's gonna show a sound effect, such as drum, other things. Okay, so you go to insert audio, and then let's say clip audio. So let's choose the clap cheers. So double click it. Why is not inserting? Okay, so here you go. So you can say, so here you see the sound. You can change it. You can like you can change the settings about it to when you click. So when you click or when you press the L keys, you can start up, or you can choose it start up automatically. Let's go to insert. Let's insert that picture. You can insert a photo album. I want to insert a picture. So let's go to documents, downloads, pictures. So let's say I like this picture. So here we go. I want it behind this text. So get it here, and then right click, then send to back, send backwards, or sorry, send to back, send to back. Here you go. You have my text, but my text is not like, you cannot read it. It's not that clear. So I think this one is the most like you can read it. Here we go. You have it there. Put up at the bottom. Now you can read it more. Like it's more obvious. Like it can show more. So let's say this picture, you go to format. You can add a frame to it. So you can add a 3D frame too, as this one or other ones. This one you have, this one, and this one. Like there's a lot of nice. I like this one basically. It's nice, neat, and easy. Plus you can read your text. The text you can put you can convert it to smart art. Let's say this one, Abdullah's best. This is one of it, and then you can add other smart arts to help if you have like the science particles thingies and all that. As you know, the particles, how does it move? This will be like a nice thing to use from the word sorry guys, the smart art, I mean. So I deleted my text by mistake. Okay, here we go. This you can add a date and time, slide number, object, footer and header, text box, and most of the things. And here we go back to the you can orientation, the page setup. You can change the colors basically. Now I will show you one of the presentations I have done, and I really like to create presentations. I'm good at it. I always get full marks at it. So presentation software, I did this about the 10 electronic presentation tips, which is gonna help me and help you a lot. Let's go to F5. Here we go. We have it, 10 tips to the presentation. So audience, know your audience, and blah 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 blah. So as you see, here is my effects. This is my template. My font looks nice. You can read it. So basically it's nice, beautiful, and easy to read at the same time, and simple. So 3 things in one presentation. So that is real nice. I inserted a page here, and so as this simple, that means there is a transition or an animation in the slides. Guys, this is about it. Thank you.